Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best RGB video light on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Digital Photo W64 RGB Video Light. Digital Photo W64 RGB Video Light is essential for every aspiring photographer. Say goodbye to the dark and hello to your subject with the added power of Digital Photo W64 RGB Video Light. The RGB video light lets you take your photography game to the next level, whether shooting at home, outdoors, or on the go. This premium quality Digital Photo W64 RGB video light is made with a durable aluminum casing and is built to last. Its ultra-portable and lightweight design allows you to travel around freely without adding any extra bulk. Digital Photo W64 RGB video light also includes an easy-to-use hot shoe adapter that easily attaches to your camera. It is compatible with a wide range of cameras and even some phones. Great for DSLR cameras and camcorders, but finds its true calling when used with a GoPro. It will change your camera life. It is the new generation of the Digital Photo professional photographic lighting product. With this little tool you will be able to create beautiful, extraordinary, magical and attractive photos and videos. It's pretty handy and easy to install. Just clip it on the cold shoe and you are ready to go. Number 4. Luxio W140 RGB Video Light. The revolutionary Luxio W140 LED light panel is the best in its class. It features an ultra-bright 8W RGB LED that produces a very high-quality light with a wide range of features at a very competitive price point. It has a 2500K 9000K color temperature range, which means it can be used for video and photography applications. The light is dimmable, which allows for ultimate control over the intensity of the light and means that it can be used as a flashlight. It's an extremely compact unit, which means that it can be carried with you anywhere you go. It also features a clip that allows you to attach it to a pocket or a stand. The package also includes a 3100 mAh power bank that charges the light. And when the light needs to be charged, after 4 to 6 hours of use, you can use the power bank to charge your smartphone or other electronic devices. Luxio W140 RGB video light is attached to your mobile phone, convenient to use and carry out. It can be used in the car, at home, outdoors, anywhere under the lighting conditions. It is equipped with 3200 mAh battery which could be charged by USB cable. Number 3. HDSNH RGB Video Light. HDSNH RGB Video Light is a portable flexible DLP ring light with 16 different RGB light modes, a foldable design for easy carrying, and a 26 cm diameter. It features a USB output for connecting to your mobile device and a large backlit color LCD display for easy control. With an extendable arm and foldable design, the ring light can be positioned in a variety of ways to suit your needs. It is also designed to be highly flexible, allowing you to bend it to achieve the illumination angle you desire. This foldable mini LED video light works with any camera that supports a USB connection. This ring light can be mounted to your phone, DSLR camera, light meter, tripod, or any other device with a USB connection. HDSNH RGB Video Light is a great lighting tool for professional photographers. It's super small and easy to carry. Also, it is a good decoration for your phone, easy to use. Just connect the phone's USB cable to the connector of HDSNH RGB Video Light and you can start to use it. Number 2. Supin RGB Video Light. The Supin RGB Video Light is a complete package that allows you to shoot video or still photos in any environment. Its small size, lightweight and low power requirement makes it perfect for camera, DV camcorders, DSLRs and flash shoe. The kit offers 2000K 6500K bi-color panel light. This is a wireless light kit. You can use it with smartphone or Android EOS device via app to control the color and brightness, change the light color step by step, or flip the switch to fast change the color. And we're certain that you'll be able to see the difference it makes in your business. Our light is bright and efficient, easy to work with, and beats the competition in performance. We know you'll find the Sunfo RGB Camera Light Full Color Output Video Light Kit Dimmable 2500K 8500K Bicolor Panel Light Cry 95 Plus to be the best light you've ever owned. Number 1. Ulanzi VL49 RGB Video Light. Ulanzi VL49 RGB Video Lights Mini LED Camera Light 2000 mAh Rechargeable LED Panel Lamp Photo Video Lighting for YouTube TikTok. Ulanzi VL49 Videos Light perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Oppo, Vivo, Instagram, V7, Xiaomi, Honor, Motorola, Lenovo, Vivo, Huawei, Xiaomi, etc. Patented LED technology, no UV or IR radiation, no touch, no flicker, no RF interference, high brightness, low power consumption. Long lifespan, designed with high-quality chip to ensure a long lifespan of more than 50,000 hours. Built-in 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, not only can be used as a video light, but also can be used as a portable power bank. Lightweight and easy to carry. Lightweight and easy to carry, can be taken anywhere. Adjustable light beam can be adjusted by the zoom wheel to get different beam angle and distance. Widely applicable, the light can be used in different occasions, such as for YouTube videos, for photography, for reading, for camping and for traveling. It is the best companion to bring out your inner creativity and help you elevate your photography to a higher platform. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.